right quick. Hello, everyone, and may God bless us all. You are with Crafts by The Rose, and I am Tina. Please join my channel. Hit the notification bell to the setting of all so you will know each and every time that I have a live or a video for you. Please feel free to comment or ask questions at any time. Please feel free to donate or watch my show. Okay, y'all. This is a tag by I'm not good at her name of her show, but Dana. Dana. Okay, I'm gonna learn it. Wow, I'm so wrong with that, but that's alright though, because I know she loves me and I love her. Anyway, y'all, this tag is for me to show all of my snacks that I love to eat. But one thing that you should know about me and snacks, I try to eat all of my snacks before 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Sometimes I cheat, but not often. I always basically try to eat them before a certain time. Like today, and today a nice day, I gotta hurry up and get outside so I can go walking. But anyway, so my snacks are, this is my main one. This one I eat like mostly almost every day if I can. Chips and dip. And I've shown this. I eat these. It's the spinach dip. And if you don't understand it, you will if you eat it. Yeah, it's got a reaction that comes with it. I eat it a lot. Okay, and so these my favorite. Snickers. Oh, all of my favorites. My kids, they know my favorites. They went and got these yesterday for me. Just in the nick of time for the show. I killed these. Well, I had help. And another thing, I learned over the years with, going to the doctor and them teaching me how to eat, that you always share your snacks. Why? You share the calories. So these are another favorite of mine. And I had to share, so that was cool. They call Almond Joy. They my favorite. I love them. I killed what they left when they came in the door. And Milk Duds, my favorite. I got all of these are my favorite. And not to mention my Chico sticks. I love them. Oh my God. I ain't started on these yet, Butterfingers. Because they gave me enough to last me for a few days. Because I won't eat it all at the same time. So, yeah, that's what it is. Along with, I like the chips. I like chips that come in the canister, the tube. I like those. I don't have one of the, I don't know, I don't remember the name of them. I just know that I like plain chips because the plain chips, they kind of last. Well, I don't like flavored ones because of the salt, but the plain ones kind of don't. The ones that I buy don't have as much salt on them, so that's why I love them. And one day I'll just show y'all when I have some. um, Another thing I like with my chips is, yeah, but I like this in my food. I like it because I don't season my food. And so I use this to season my food. If it's something that needs seasoning, like, like when I cook eggs and spinach, I don't eat anything in the eggs and spinach. I just eat it plain with nothing in it. Because, when you have health issues like the blood pressure and the high blood pressure, when you eat salt, you give yourself a chance of having a stroke because the salt eats through your veins and causes a bleed out to a stroke. So I'm afraid of salt. I'm afraid of it. And so I try not to eat it as much as I possibly can. But occasionally, certain things like that hot sauce has salt in it. So that's my way of eating salt without eating salt. But it kind of like it's not an overpowering salt. So that's why I like it. Uh, and I just try to eat as healthy as possible. I was doing good with my diet, but sitting here in the house, it's not it's not all that. But anyway, the best I can do is what I'm doing. Just trying to, get out as much as possible, take a walk. And so if you have issues like mine, get out and take a walk. Okay, so thank you for being with me. I truly appreciate you all as my subscribers, as my new subscribers, and I hope that God is blessing you with a beautiful, wonderful day. And thank you. Happy crafting.